This is the choice of professionals. The top-of-the-line chainsaws from Echo. Every Echo chainsaw is powered by a high-performance, professional-grade two-stroke engine, certified to meet the EPA's highest emission compliance and durability rating of 300 hours. Every Echo chainsaw is built to power through the toughest jobs for years of dependable performance. Plus, you get features like the no tools required air filter systems that provide easy access for hassle-free maintenance and exceptional air filtration. With the side access chain tensioner, adjusting the chain tension is quick and easy. And the dual bar mounting studs provide increased bar support for strength and durability. All Echo chainsaws provide a vibration reduction system for maximum operating comfort and reduced fatigue. And most models come with a dual post-inertia chain brake for extra durability and safety. But that's just the beginning. Whether you're cutting wood for your own fireplace, or you're a professional arborist cutting year-round, there's a full line of Echo chainsaws with a variety of features to suit your every need.